Shivam, and I'm from Chitkara University. Today we came here for one day retreat, and this retreat is really amazing, really awesome. The ambience and the people around, जो मैम ने हमें सारा guide किया throughout the experience, the food, and the talk she did just before 5 minutes ago was really amazing. That inspired me from within to live this life with a lot of zeal and fire. And if I will go back from here, definitely this experience will help me in living my life more better. Thank you so much.